I'm tired of abusing my main locomotive. I've been doing that for 10 years, so it's time to finally build a second one. This is Mill Brook Railroad 71. It is an ES-2-500 switcher, which is electric switcher, 2 axles, 500 watts, built by Mill Brook Manufacturing. That's me. Let's put the chains on it today. Okay, that's close enough for ASMR. Let's just get some work done. We, of course, first measure the chains, cut the chains, and then add the master link. That's pretty much all there is to putting chains together, so just watch the rest of the video and enjoy the music. Now the chains are on, I can test the locomotive out. Let's do some plowing in the next video. Stay tuned.